Alright, so today's video we're going to do a little something different. We got a couple of different packages from Whatnot. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Address, so we're going to open it from the back. First one, honestly I have no idea who these are from, because it's been a while since I've got them. And I just never opened them up. So I figured it's gonna be a Christmas video since we haven't had any luck getting anything for this Christmas. We're gonna open up the boxes we've got from Whatnot. First one of these, oh, it's in a protector. And it is Live Fast diecast. So it's actually the Nissan Skyline C210. And this one you can see it's really nicely protected. Even, alright, so we gotta pull it out of this thing. It's a nice diamond protector. Some people really go above and beyond with their shipments. See, this is how this one is. It's a little dusty, but this is number 20 from the Boulevard. And as you can tell before, it used to be silver. Now it's silver is like the mid between the main lines and the premiums, which this is the silver. This is a newer one too. This is so slammed too nice. Oh, Chasing J's. It's pretty dope. Alright, so that's number 1. Second one is definitely for our other collector, because it is, I know I've had this for a while and I just haven't opened it up, but this is the Hello Kitty. This is a beautiful car. Another silver line. This was out of a different set. So we actually, oh, hold on. It's the same set. Alright, so we're closer to completing this set, because now we got the Hello Kitty and we had the Nissan Silvia 1 and 3 out of this set. I don't think we have anything else, so we'll try and finish this set off eventually. Box number 2 for opening, and this guy had the same idea with the bags. Now there is a lot of cars here. Holy moly, I didn't think it was a big box. Well, it's a little box with a lot of gifts. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay, so we have the red edition. I don't know why I bought this, because I actually have a couple of these. That's what I always say. Try not to buy stuff right off the bat. Give it a little bit. This is a beautiful casting of the, again, red editions are exclusive to Target. And we have this one, but who cares. Another one that we got is this one. This is the beautiful 1999 Nissan Maxima from the Fast and Furious. In this set, we do have the white BMW. We didn't want any of these. You can still actually find this one on probably Walmart. And this one we got. Plus, we also got this. I don't know why I got it. Maybe it was a great deal, because I usually try to keep it around the same price as retail. This is the Back to the Future Time Machine 50s version. Now, this is the Pop Culture. I don't know if it's the new set though. What's the point of unboxing if you already have it all set? These are reds. I don't know if I got all of them, but I did get 3 of each here. Again. Alright, so we got these 3, which is a Dodge Charger Drift, 7 out of 12. I think this is last year's edition. And then we did get the 82 Cadillac Seville, which we did not find any of these out in the wild. Those are pretty nice castings. Okay, so that was boom. Okay, the next one is gonna be box number 3. I love X-Acto knives, especially when you have a fresh one. They just slice like butter. What is in box number 3? Oh, heck yeah. We got some Lucy's. Okay, we're going to hold off on the Lucy's till the end. First one is going to be a red line. Duh. 1969 Dodge Charger. Yeah, there we go. 1969, yeah. Dodge Charger RT. Forgot we even got this. That'll be cool. We only buy cool stuff. So we have the Mighty K, the blue one. We have 2022 factory sealed set. I think this is one of the super treasure hunts it's supposed to be. This is a nice Corvette. And 2017 Momo Volkswagen Käfer Racer. This was a very nice casting as well. Oh yeah, these are fire. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna start with, we got 2 of these blue beautiful Datsun's Bluebird 510 wagons. These are in a red. Red 1 and red 2. One to keep, one to crack open, right? I don't know if we're cracking any of these open. These are too nice. Okay, the next 2 are gonna be the blue versions of it. Surf Patrol. These are numbered. What do you think? Blue or red? What color is your Datsun? Now don't be throwing in the pink ones. Yeah, we don't have the pink one. Alright, so those 2. And I forgot I got this one. This was nice. So this is the new Silver Wave. We couldn't find any of these. The only one we saw in the Peg Store was the El Camino. But the white Volkswagen, this one is. This is beautiful. Really nice. Details. Let's zoom in a little bit. Check that. Yeah, that's nice. This is really nicely in the card. Even like the details of the overall. Got the front deck cut aside. The back, the nice white wheels. Okay, so we got the Fast Wagons. I think this is the second set. Because we ended up getting a whole set from somewhere else. And then we got this Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon in premium. Now this one can be compared to the pink Super Treasure Hunt. It's very similar, just a different color. And this one actually has the metal base, so definitely the same wheels, different colors. And the third one is gonna be the Amazon wagon, Volvo P220. This one's just slammed, big body. Look at the details on those lights. And just the green colors. Yeah, this one's a very nice fast wagon. Okay, other than that, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these 4 unboxings. And we'll see you on the next hunt. Alright, so this is a Lancia Raleigh 902037. It's a Lucy, I can tell. Pirelli, really very nicely executed. What do we think? I think it's a nice cast. Okay, the next, we do have one more Lucy. Aww. This is a black hole gasser, but it don't matter because we got him off. That thing spins. Okay, so yeah. Mercury. Spelled weirdly. Alright. Yeah, this is the original. Now, we did have another box. Okay, so this is a Live Fast Diecast first Mini GT. This looks very nice. Wheels, does it spin? I'd say it spins. This is a nice. Wow. There's a little. Made in China. Used under license. Yeah, this needs a little clean-up detail job. Wait, hold on. Does the hood open? Oh, it does open. Oh, check that out. It's got a pink engine to go with the teal. The main reason I got this one is because it looks like Arizona green tea. And that's one of my favorite drinks. But yeah, the detail on this is pretty superb. Okay, look at that. Down to the license plate, 827. Lights are actual, like, plastic lights. So is the bumper. Gritty on there. But no, yeah, the wheels are so wide, too. And I love the gold wheels. Plus, these spin like crazy. Look at that. Anyways, that is our first Kaido house unveiling here on Live Fast Diecast. What do you guys think? Do you guys have any Kaido house? Then we have the Daytona. Plymouth Superbird. Why did I say Daytona? Plymouth Superbird. Which we also have the Dodson. Just gotta figure out where it's at. Alright, next one we got the red Momo Bluebird wagon, which I think we saw the red and blue. No, this one's a little different. And this is actually the Super Treasure Hunt 57 Chevy, which people have been finding in shippers. I don't know when. But we got the Camaro. I know I got that one. That's a nice gasser. But we also got the Neon Speeders with the Honda Civic Type R EK9. The ones we've got the Barbie, which I couldn't find the one with this background, so got that. We got the purple McLaren 720S, and also, oh, okay, this one's dope. Mazda RX-7, which actually it's a different livery. The reason we like Mazda RX-7s is our first Super Treasure Hunt was a Mazda RX-7. It was that blue one with the chrome wheels. I think it was a 2020 Super Treasure Hunt. Alright, so those are those. And then we got a couple more. Alright, so this Lucy is just in a bag. But this, I don't think this is a Hot Wheel. No. Jada Toys. Check out this Camaro SS. Some stuff on the back. Yo, look at these tires. But does it spin? This one doesn't just spin, this one shakes. Okay, this is a pretty heavy casting. And I don't think they're 164. They're a little bit bigger. They do have some pretty nice details on these. Wheels. Yeah, the wheels are always nice. Just with the chrome when you spin that. Hope this one doesn't spin that good. Spin that back, Willie. Okay, I didn't know we got a loose in there too. Oh boy. More of the, now we got the black Momo Dodsons. We got 1 and 2 of those. So we got black, red, blue, and solid red. 3 different versions. Oh. Hot Wheels Legends 49 Ford GT. 49 Ford F1. Don't know where the GT came from. Really nice details on that. And we got 3 more. Last but not least, I will start off from the top. Top is the Dodge Dart. Nice in this beautiful chameleon green. Tomo part on the side. Just little wheels. Okay, then we got the black Mercedes. Again, I don't know why I got this one because I'm pretty sure I have this. This is the DK Super Treasure Hunt 2024. They also have it in red, regular red, silver, and I think the black. Those are the only 3 colors. Unless there's more. Is there more colors there? No, this is another Mazda RX-7. This one is in the blue instead of the orange. What do you think? Orange or a blue? So, from all of those, we got a couple different ones. Now, did you shower? What are you waiting for? No, it's like 12:30.
So what?
We gotta shower.
You're busy too. So what's the difference?
What's the difference of what? Alright, so we got done with these 4. What do you think? Which one is the best out of these 4 here? The solid blue, solid red, or the Momo version? Now there is also a yellow Momo version of this one, which we don't have. Now out of those 4 right there, I think this 5th one is the best. Just because of the wheels. They've really done a great job with these wheels. There's detail in there. It's very nice. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below if you like these videos or do you like the hunts better. Which one do you want to see more of? Live fast, diecast out.